Hi there, my name is Simon, the Director of Wirral Carpet Cleaning Limited, based on the Wirral and serving Merseyside, Cheshire and North Wales. We offer professional and fully insured carpet, upholstery and specialised cleaning services. We were asked by a day nursery if there's anything that we could offer to prevent sickness, bugs and viruses being spread whilst the children attended the nursery, as it was difficult to ensure all surfaces, soft furnishings and toys were adequately disinfected. We offer a specialised deep cleaning service called Disinfecting fogging. We use a machine to turn disinfectant into fog or vapour. This can be spread all over items including walls, ceilings, soft furnishings, fabrics, floors, toys and soft play equipment. The disinfectant falls onto all surfaces and stops any viral and bacterial outbreaks such as norovirus, hand, foot and mouth, conjunctivitis and many more. It is harmless to humans and animals and is safe to use on food surfaces. I use this cleaning method in day nurseries, schools, hotels, doctor surgeries, restaurants, dentists, hospitals, nursing homes, soft play centres and private dwellings. For more information, please click the link below, give us a call on 0151 936 9664 or visit us at www.wirralcarpetcleaning.com/fogging. Thanks very much. Bye bye.